keep a dually on me, yeah, it's gon' be big. And I keep running on me, that bitch sing. Yeah, I keep it loaded, most certainly. Yeah, I get it loaded. Yeah, just ride the way, if you ride the way. Shawty, ride the way, if you ride the way. I keep a BB on me, you don't want her to die today. Yeah. Shawty, just ride the way, yeah, ride the way. If you about it, then hop in the ride and just come in and just ride the way. Yeah. I'm in a real ship, I'ma survive today. Yeah. If you won't ride today, I'ma just ride the way. Yeah. Shawty, just ride the way, shawty, just ride the way. You coming with me 'cause you might not survive in it. I got the juice, I'm in a high ceiling. Just take care of the rest, I don't wanna resign to you. But I keep two in that bitch by, yeah. I got a lie, homie, it's about 5 on me. I'ma survive, homie, flying around with a chopper. Yeah, I can need a new chopper. If you want something to die for, rolling what can you decide though? I can keep off on the ops though, I don't get caught in the lie though. Brought me a brand new coupe, keeping that bitch in a hobby, rolling around in a zombie. You can't move with me, just stay away, ho. I keep the real shit, I'm in the real shit. Yeah, just ride the way, if you ride the way. Shawty, ride the way, yeah, if you ride the way. I keep a BB on me, you don't want her to die today. Yeah. Shawty, just ride the way, yeah, ride the way. If you about it, then hop in the ride and just come in and just ride the way. Yeah. I'm in a real ship, I'ma survive today. Yeah. If you won't ride today, come and just ride the way. Yeah. Shawty, just ride the way, shawty, just ride the way. Come and just hop in the ride, I got the drop top. Shawty just feeling the wave, I'm in a hot spot. FBO wet, diamonds, juices, dancing. I keep it floating, I got the whole beam. Something about it, just looking at me, you define me. Got a little drip on you, moving some shit, now you cocky. Shawty been moving away, gotta revise, yeah. And Shawty don't lie to me, she be fine with me. This on me, I walk, how I do that. Shawty been bad as fuck, how I do that. You can't do like me, I move like Sims do. Catching the weight up, I got a blade up, yeah. Yeah, just ride the way, if you ride the way. Shawty, ride the way, if you ride the way. I keep a BB on me, you don't want her to die today. Yeah. Shawty, just ride the way, yeah, ride the way. If you about it, then hop in the ride and just come in and just ride the way. Yeah. I'm in a real ship, I'ma survive today. Yeah. If you won't ride today, come and just ride the way. Yeah. Shawty, just ride the way, shawty, just ride the way.
What is going on, everybody? How everybody's doing? Good morning, good afternoon, or good afternoon, good afternoon, or good evening.
Turn off that safe switch. Yes. Really get to eyeing you different, just know your place.
Guys, I'm gonna need all y'all to go ahead and drop the fire emojis if y'all tapped in right now. So today was CPI news we had, and I know that either a lot of people made money today or a lot of people lost money today. It's one or the other. It's always one or the other. What is going on? What is going on? Already 1.3K, like, yeah, what? Nice, 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 nice. Already 1.3K. Somebody be, y'all be doing the most, man. I thought I had stopped. I don't know why y'all be hitting me with these likes. I need everybody to do me one favor. Make sure you guys like the video. I need all y'all to make sure you like the video. Hold on, y'all. 1 second. All right, cool. Someone like buying for you. I see somebody's trying to show some weird support. That I really don't need that though. All right, guys. So I'm looking at this euro yen trade. I actually tapped in for a buy mistakenly, wrong positioning, but I am going to be posting this one if the 5-minute plays out very well, or if this 2-minute plays out very well, actually. Which it is playing out though. All right, yeah, guys. So I'm already in this trade right now. Like I said, I'm personally in this trade right now. I kind of got in at a weird position. I was actually driving. See, this is why I like streaming and trading live, because I was literally driving. I don't know why I did that, but I was driving. I was like, oh, this looks like a nice setup. Let me get in. So I got in a little late, and I'm kind of taking fault for some of this pullback that's happening now. But yeah, that's what's going on with that trade. Let's see. So I want to talk about yesterday, because yesterday I told you guys what was going to happen, and it happened exactly what we planned. So yesterday I had talked about how G or dollar. I talked about how dollar was supposed to literally take out all this liquidity right here. Right? I talked about how dollar was supposed to literally take out all this liquidity, as you see right here. And that is exactly what happened. So I also mentioned how we had the liquidity phase yesterday that a lot of you guys tapped into, and it did exactly that. I end up calling out 2 gold trades. We took like 4 gold trades yesterday, and they all smashed TP. Posted all in the VIP. We talked about it. I'm trying to see if I posted it in the Forex side. Yeah, I have. Let me see. I'm gonna show you guys real fast. But in the meantime, while I look for it, anyway, yeah, we did the whole run. Let me remove some of this because it's a little crazy right now. We did the whole entire run where we did the whole liquidity phase, where I told you guys, hey, I see market tapping out and taking some of these lows right here, and that's exactly what happened. Yesterday though, for those that's not tapped in the VIP, I did mention that we gotta wait on a pullback. And ideally the pullback was here, so we was able to catch that. I did post this one in the Discord. We was able to catch that right off of here. Was looking for more pullback, but hey, you guys got to know we got to adjust with the market. And then that being said, guys, we took the liquidity lows out after we took the highs out. I was like, guys, we took the highs out first. We're going to take the lows out and we're going to go up. And that is exactly what happened. We could have wrote this trade out, but I made $900. No, I made like $1,100. I'll show you guys soon. I made a couple $100 off this, more than a couple thousand off this trade, and we took it to the moon. So, you know, guys, that's what we got going on, and everything like that. And then learn to earn. Please do not, if this is actually you doing all these likes, please do not do that, because I will have to ban you, man. But yeah, guys, just to let you guys know, that is what is going on right now. So currently, if we look at what trade we were talking about, euro yen. Like I said, euro yen, I'm in this trade right now. That's what I'm taking. Don't really see too much right now because of the CPI news kind of just, yeah, the CPI news kind of just went crazy. You know, the CPI news is doing some crazy stuff. It did some crazy stuff. Dollar went up to going down. Overall, I'm looking on dollar to go down. that's kind of where I'm at. I mean, we already tapped into my one of my POI levels, so kind of just want to see where it goes from there. And then yen, guys, I talked about yen as well. Yen just tapped into our midpoint right over here, you guys see, and this is what I'm looking for yen to do. So if yen can drop, then I would like to definitely see my euro, yen, and GJ should be heading up. So that's kind of where I'm at right now with that. Yeah, guys, make sure. Let me change this. Hold on. Yeah, if dollar goes down, gold will go up. Yes, that is correct. I have to put this in the notes right now, guys. Hold on. So I am buying this all the way up to 141.328 and 141.864. So these are my levels that I'm looking at. I didn't really do too much trading because of the news, man. I wanted to wait to see what news was going to do before I actually decided to take any like serious trades. So this is literally my real actual first trade for the day. Like I said, my position, it kind of sucks. So let me look at gold again and dollar. I mean, so dollar right now, I can't figure this one out right now because it is going up and it's going down, but the overall bias that I have is down, even though we did tap into my POI level. Show you guys on a bigger scale, daily scale actually. This is kind of my level of interest right here that I'm really looking for. I feel like at this point, market's just going to consolidate in this zone, and then hopefully we should start seeing outwards move from here. But gotta be patient. We gotta wait. But I'm looking for the upwards move for sure. Just need to consolidate more, because we went straight down, then we went straight up. Yeah, we went straight down, and then we're going straight up. Now we're going back down. If you ain't telling me that ain't manipulated, I don't know what that is. And then with gold, guys, if gold is dropping, if dollar's dropping, we should see gold going up. But at this time being, it's still a little weird what the hell is going on with gold too. 500 count with the 100 leverage. How much max? Jeez, I wouldn't even go that far out. I did that one time. Like, what broker are you dealing with? Let's see. What is this? GU. So I got a question. Anybody here either had passed or not passed, but is there anybody here in the chat that either blew their account today or X their account times 10? there anybody here that either blew their account or asked their account times 10? I'm curious to know. X 100. That's smart. That's smart. I blew 2 accounts. Goodness gracious. Blew 200. Wash. Yes. That's the best thing to do is avoid the news. You blew a demo. Okay. So, have you ever blown accounts? Hell yeah, I've blown hella accounts. You have to blow accounts in order to really see success, to be honest with you, because you'll be at a point where you want to just stop blowing accounts and you really going to discipline yourself. But that's probably when you would be like, all right, you know what, I'm tired of blowing accounts. I'm actually going to make sure I follow my rules. And if I don't have rules, I'm going to make sure I stick, or not stick, but create a trading plan and go off that. But yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys, I do see NAS still going up to some of these levels up here, but at this time being, actually, what did happen is we did tap into a extreme. You guys should see it right now. It's simple. Boom, boom. We did a liquidity phase, a nice little small liquidity phase. Look at that. We took the highs out first. We took the lows out. Now we're going to go up. Ah, this is nice right here. Here's my only problem with this one, though. I see this is my overall range. This is my midpoint. There is an extreme I can tell in here. Or there is a midpoint in here. I just got to go in the 30-second and really see it. Yeah, and it honestly is that right there. So to be quite frank with y'all, I'm going to need market to pull back down here for me to get a better entry. But I am looking on this NAS trade for sure. I will be in that NAS trade for sure once it comes down to these levels. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys tap in, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and make sure you guys like the video as well. You get slapped on your hand. I would love, this needs to drop for me. Like, that would be dope. Y'all know how NAS is though, man. I know how NAS is too. If I legitimately see a nice setup even up here, I'm gonna just have to say, damn, this might be it. And then I might have to just put my stop loss down here. You said, Patrick, join your Discord yesterday. Found out I've been missing a lot of good stuff. Thank goodness I am in now. Welcome, brother. Welcome. I see a lot of you guys get so discouraged when you see one red candle drop, and then everybody be like, "Are you still in? Are you still in? Are you still in?" That tells me you guys don't need to be trading right now. I say this in every stream I do. If you are unsure what your trade, don't trade at all. The moment that y'all be seeing little green, red candles going like right here, and your stop loss is here, y'all be scared and y'all get out the trade, or y'all start analyzing differently. I always say, stick to your damn rules. Get in and stay in. I literally said this, and y'all witnessed this. For those that's been in my live streams for a minute, y'all witnessed that I even got out 2 trades when they were like right here. 2 trades came close to my stop loss, and I got out. And if I would have stayed in the trade, I would have had made over $2,000 in those trades. And that just basically tells you guys, you gotta just stick with your overall bias and just let the trade ride all the way to your stop loss, and then boom. Don't marry the trade, meaning that if this is your stop loss and you're like, well, I mean, I'm gonna hold it off a little bit, I'm gonna wait until then it comes here, and you're like, well, I mean, I can just move my stop. That's different. So, you know, you guys, a lot of you guys that trade, I know a lot of people will do stuff like that. And I'm telling you guys, that's the biggest mistake you can make, because that's going to follow you in a lot of other problems that you will have in trading. Like, you don't want to take your TP all the way. Like, for me, I always do TP1. A lot of people would take all their TPs out because they're like, oh, this is a lot of good money. Nah, you can really grow your account if you just ride TP1. Move stop loss to break even. Ride TP2, you'd be even more profitable. Ride your stop loss to break even again for another for the final trade, and then ride it through. So, yeah, you just got to stick with the trade and just let it ride all the way through. You said after your live trades, who in your Discord is as good? We got educational traders that be really posting fire stuff on there. Do I expect gold to pass? Oh, I'm not even looking. I'm looking at this NAS trade, because this is what I see right now with NAS. It's going up for sure. All of this right here is my range. If I was to draw my fib so y'all see where my range is at, from this low to this high, that's where I'm looking. I see that my chart prime printed out a double bull, which basically means there's multiple candlesticks right here, which tells me the momentum is strong. I see that we got a twist with the green dot, means that the momentum for the buyers are strong. So, I mean, everything is clicking well right here. I just want to know if I can get on a smaller scale right here, though. Yeah, market is strong, guys. This 5-minute play. Damn, man, this is shooting up. I just don't like my positioning for this, because my stop loss got to be right here. I can't even get a one. I could get a 1-on-1 right here. Let's see. Yeah, I could get this 1-on-1. All right, I'm gonna type in NAS2. Let me see if I can get a 1-minute entry though. Yeah, I'm gonna wait on that 1 minute. Yup, there we go. I'm gonna wait on this 1 minute to come down here. This is my midpoint extreme off this little range. If I can get it to come down here, this will be a better entry for me, better positioning for me. Hell, if it passes that and I get no momentum and I actually get it to come down here, that's even better. But yeah, guys, let's just wait it out. Because to be honest with y'all, like I said, I'm all about positioning, and I would rather catch it down here than here. But if the momentum is showing me that it's here, then I'm gonna just ride it with that. So yeah, we'll see. Thank you, man. You just want to thank you. I just want to thank you, but I think that's what you meant to say. I see it like midpoint though, looking nice. That gold call yesterday was golden. It was definitely golden. I actually caught that one on my phone, man. I usually don't call trades on my phone. You said, thank you. I'm becoming profitable just by doing what you're doing. That's what's up. Okay, that gold. I mean, not gold. Nasdaq is moving. Keep coming down. Shoot, the more the better. Keep coming down. The more the better. Hold on, guys. I gotta turn on my light back here. I had somebody told me they had gave me all them likes, and I had told dude, don't do that again, or I'm gonna ban you. That's what had happened with them damn likes. You said solo. Why not sell from the extreme? Also, so I am selling from the extreme. I'm just going off what that's the thing, guys. I go off what market is telling me. You know, I would prefer to come to the extreme, but if it doesn't come there, then it is what it is. I'm adapting with the market. You feel me? So that's really what's going on. Like, my preferred entry is here for sure, but I'm adapting what market's telling me. Because if momentum is all telling me here, and I'm so down stubborn on and stuck on, no, it's got to come here. If that's a rule, then that's a rule. You know, that's your rule. That's not my rule though. My rule is it can come to a midpoint or an extreme. Some people have a rule where it has to come to the extreme. So I'm very flexible when it comes to that. My extreme point is like almost the lowest of the range. So it's like looking right here, this is the lowest of the range. You know, so that's how I go about it. Now, if I was to take a trade off of this little range, I will be looking on like a 15-second entry, because I got to take it to this high, because this little range is not going to mean anything on a bigger scale. So sometimes what happens is if I take that smaller range, come up here, boom, it's more likely going to come back down and then go up because it's completing the bigger range. Yo, E, we winning today. I don't know. Let's see. I'm feeling jolly today for sure. I noticed when I woke up this morning, a lot of the plays had happened during London session. And I was like, dang. You know, a lot of my plays had happened during London session. Everybody that is tapped in, make sure you guys go ahead and like the video. Yeah, Neil, like, no, I had somebody, but somebody brought me them likes, and I'm like, don't do that shit again. I literally had to ban the person for that, because I had said it last time. What's the name of your PC? I'm confused. Diamond Gaming, what do you mean? Still in it. Ain't doing much though. I see yen is still going up strong. It's still strong. What is the stop loss on EJ? I showed it. No, I didn't post it, but I show it right here. That's my stop loss. Yeah, we just tapped into my extreme. This is way better. This is way better. Oh, you said what time's the VIP session today? I don't know nothing about the VIP session today. I love your discipline on every trade that you take. I mean, analyzing simple discipline, but it's hard as fuck. I appreciate that. I definitely appreciate that. I wasn't so disciplined with this trade earlier. I got in like right here. I was driving. Do I think gold is gonna go back down? I'm looking on gold to do the same what Nasdaq's doing, going up. Everything is choppy. Only thing I see really moving is this yen right now, and we could even be coming further up. How many trades do I give out on Discord? I don't have a set number. I don't go off that no more. I just go off whatever I see in the market. I trade it. But there's, I have guys. I literally recruit really successful traders on my community, and I have a bot on that that also calls out possible entries too. So if you really want to be rational with it, I could be honest with you. We probably do like 10. We probably be posting 10 different trading ideas every day from the bot, from our educational traders, from me, all of that. I'm not the only one in my community that posts. Yeah, EJ, definitely rest in peace, because this right here is going up. But I'm going to let it ride the stop loss. If it hits it, then it hits it. Still looking at this NAS trade. Discord channel is the bomb. Still looking at this Nasdaq trade. We are reacting off of this, but we got a lot of momentum that needs to be built up. We need a lot of momentum that needs to be built up. So maybe if the chart prime, my chart prime can print out double bull, meaning that there's multiple candlestick patterns in that whole consolidation zone, then yeah, we set. Then yeah, we are set. Yo, what's going on, Sway? what just happened? Oh, there goes that spike. That's a 1 minute though. What that 2 minute gonna do? Let's see what that 2 minutes gonna do. That joint going up though. I need that stop loss to be down there from this last low right here. Still got my 1-on-1 going. This not enough right here. Yeah, I need market to pull back one more time. Then I'm in. If I compare all of that with this, I still gotta see some more reaction. I need to come back and then go up. For those that's new, make sure you guys are tapped in. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And also, everybody, make sure you like the video as well. And then also, guys, if you ever want to join that private VIP, it is tapped in the pin section. Yo, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. Make sure you guys are tapped in. Make sure everybody go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. I love how y'all speak on this liquidity phase. Yeah, guys, Euro's coming to my stop loss, but it ain't hit it yet. So is it gonna hit it or not? That joint dropping because the yen is still strong. Golly. I just noticed something. Guys, look.
I want to drown inside this. I want to.
Hold on, guys.
Go down an eye, like I captain. I ain't never had a vibe this vibrant.
All right, guys. So I want you guys to look. All of this right here. All of this liquidity right here. Yeah, there's a lot of liquidity right now. And this makes sense on why we're dropping right now. 100%. Let's see. Yeah, that's at the stop loss, guys. This is at the stop loss. SL on this one. Cause mine's just hit. My broker, I just realized my broker positioning is still different. Do I do fundamental analysis? A little bit. I'm just more technical fundamental analysis. That's kind of where I'm at. Yo, what is going on? I need to update these stats. I want to make it look a little bit more presentable. So yeah, guys. All right. So this trade for me is done because we got a whole. All right, I gotta remove this. This is getting a little cluster for me. We got a whole entire liquidity resting all right here. Also, I do see yen is still going up, coming into some of these levels here. We still see yen is strong, and it's going to remain strong. Waiting on Nasdaq to come back down before I actually get into it, though. But yen, GJ, that's crazy that I'm looking at GJ because I'm looking on GJ to keep going down to some of these levels right here, some of these levels down here. So, yeah, that's kind of where I'm at right now. And then this one with GU, still don't know what the hell we got going on right now. I just know it built up liquidity. Still got to see what's going on a little bit. But I'm about to be locked in on this. Let me, hold on. Let me remove something. Guys, I need that pullback. That's the only thing that makes sense to me right now. To get that pullback back down, and then I'm back in. Oh, I'm not back in. I will be in. Yes, sir. Come down, baby. Oh, you got in already on NAS? I'm waiting. I need momentum. I need price to actually tell me we in. I'm more of a fundamental trader. There's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, no, that's perfect. That's perfect. You mixing both of them. I'm more technical and a little fundamental with the splash. That's me. Like the little splash is the fundamentals of me. Because I will look at deep into the little news and see what's going on and understand the play. Guys, look at dollar on a, if we focus just on this right here, it's going down. We're not looking at all of this right now. I'm looking at literally all of this right here. It's going down. So if I go in a 1 minute, a lot of these levels we can pull to and then keep heading down. He said there's a lot of liquidity. The upside is impossible that it takes down top side now before heading down. It depends on what time frame you're looking at. Yen is still going up. Damn, trading after the CPI news kind of sucked because I'm like looking at everything and it's like all my shits happened. Like I said, all my shits had happened during London session. All of my setups. What would be the odds of market coming up, taking out these highs? Because I'm looking and I see that there's a lot of liquidity buildup. What would be the odds if we could take out that high, come back into some of this, maybe some of that, and then complete coming down? Because yen is still strong. So while this is dropping, hopefully we can maybe get it to come further down to some of these levels. We're looking at about 8236. Seeing that price could possibly drop down to 8236 because there's a lot of liquidity built up in here. What would be the odds of seeing that the yen GJ could actually come up, take out these highs, tap into this level here, and then finish heading down in this bigger POI level that we call off of hourly time frame? That's how I see it, man. Today's been absolutely crazy. Love you, bro. Thank you really much. No problem. I see this, guys. I see this play. I do see this play. So what I see is that yen is going to come down. Yen has been too much. It's been too much of premium, right? Premium price, expensive. And at this time, we just need to see that drop coming soon. If we see it, this is where I want to see it tap into. And then for me, I want to see if we can get it to peak up here. We're looking at about 158.300 and then look for that downwards move. That would be interesting for me. That would be very interesting to me. This is my 3 confirmation setup here. I want to see it break out of this high. If I can catch the pullback, pull into this range, I can even catch a buy off of 15-second play. Now that right there would be crazy. So I'm gonna have my eyes open on that one. Everybody started looking at NAS. What's going on with NAS? Not a damn thing. Excuse my French. Not a dang thing. Guys, like I said with yen, I'm making money today. I'm making money today. I'm about to say that again. I'm definitely making money today. Guys, also I have a new rule that I'm gonna add to my trading plan, and it's a new risk management strategy that I'm gonna throw in there to see something. I just want to test something out. I'm back testing it right now to see if it's effective, but it's literally gonna make like my losses almost to. Really, what it is this, guys. If I was to get in the trade, and I'm testing this to see how accurate this is, because I know a lot of other traders do this. I used to do this. Like, I had a video that I talk about how to get a 90% win ratio, and that's basically what I'm about to teach you now. It was a little clickbait with the title, though, by the way. Anyway, I posted this like 2 years, like down there when I started my YouTube channel 2 years ago. It's a strategy where I would do a one-on-one trade, and then wherever 50% is at, I would just move my stop loss to break even. I'll move my stop loss to break even in all my trades, and then let the trade TP1 hit. Once TP1 hits, I will keep all my other trades at break even, and then boom. Anybody does that here? I don't know if anybody has that strategy, but I used to do that, and I just realized, damn, I should try to see how would that work, because I feel like I would really like lower my my losing ratio for sure, and up my winning ratio for sure. You do that? Well, here's the thing. A lot of people do that, but they do it with like a 1 or 3. So like a lot of people just go straight for a 1 or 3, and then they move at 50%. Like, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about I would take 50% in a trade once it's 1-on-1, and then I'll keep, my other trades TP2, TP3, and so forth. Yeah, that's exactly, Skid. That's my main concern. The spreads. So that's why I'm testing it out right now with my broker. Cause I mean, my broker, nice thing about Hanko traders, they do have low spreads. So I am testing it out to see how that works. Cause I'm curious to see if I was to do that, my win ratio would be a lot better. So I'm gonna start doing that with my lives next week. I'm gonna be testing out this whole weekend. I'm gonna just be doing back testing this whole weekend to test that out. No, so my new strategy that I'm gonna add, my new risk management. My risk management is already on point, but I'm gonna add more to it because I'm not playing this year, y'all. I'm really not playing this year. Like, I'm not playing this year. So y'all, a lot of y'all that's new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, because I'm gonna say this once and I'll probably say it again some other time. My risk management strategy is very simple. I don't like to risk no more than 10% on my overall account, even 15%. What I do is I enter in multiple trades. I don't just do one trade, I do multiple trades. And when I do multiple trades, I make sure 3 trades total will equal up to 10% of my overall account. So what I like to do is enter multiple TPs. Now, I don't just do a TP at a 1-on-1. I like to always make sure my 1-to-1 aligns with a high, because every high is a liquidity level. Every high is an order block. Every high is a supply demand level. Every high is a support resistance level. So market will always need to come there for 1 or 2 reasons. To take out some of the real money that y'all probably seen there because y'all thought this was a key level or this and that. Or they're going to create fake money by creating equal highs, which create support resistance and so forth. So I know they're going to come there regardless. So what I like to do is have my TP at a 1-on-1. And I always make sure my 1-on-1 trade is at a high that hasn't been tapped yet. So if I was to enter right now and my most recent high was literally right here, like right where my mouse is at, and it's not a 1-on-1, I wouldn't take the trade. So that being said, I will always take it to a 1-on-1 at a high, just like right here. And I always try to go for a 1 or 2 at another high that hasn't been tapped yet, which is right here. And I work my way up, and I keep entering multiple trades, or I will get in multiple trades around the same position, and then I would take TP1, get out that trade, boom, make $500 off that, move my other 2 trades to break even, and then boom. But what I'm trying to do now is, once the trade just goes 50% in my favor, so like if this was my overall 1-on-1 trade, let's say that I got in multiple trades right now, this is how my multiple trade setup would look, guys. It'll look like this. So once market comes right here 50%, I'm gonna move all my stop loss to break even. And then once trade 1 hits, boom, I made $500. If trade 2 hits, boom, I made $1,000. If trade 3 hits, boom, I made $2,000. So I basically came up with like 3,500, something like that total. I think that strategy is nice if I do that little 50%. This is what I do already, but I'm adding this 50% rule. I'm gonna start adding. I'm gonna backtest that this weekend and see. I am not in anything right now. I'm just patiently waiting on setups. Because right now market is completely dry because it is 10 o'clock. We did have news, so I don't really expect anything crazy to happen, to be honest with you. For those that's so eager to get in a trade. I use MetaTrader 5, and I use Henko Trade. Henko Trade is my broker, guys. The link is down there. What's going on, Kevin? Are you in a buy position? No, not yet. I'm waiting on it to break out and then pull back. You said this trade with you would be a bonus round. If I catch another trade, like I said, that Euro Yen trade kind of just took fart on me. Grateful you found my channel, man. Grateful you were here. I appreciate you for tapping in. If y'all new to my channel, once again, make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. By the way, guys, I am looking on Euro Yen to go the other way now. Anybody that's, I don't know if y'all stop loss hit. My stop loss hit with my broker. That's why I counted that L. You said I looked at it before I went live. Yeah, I guess. But it's still a trade that I took today, so I'm just counting in there. Let's see. You saying how do you do a $500 with only a 0.3% TP? You know what I gotta figure all that out. Yeah, that's a great question though. My mind right now is on trying to focus on these trades, so I'll have to tap into that question later. All right, cool. That's the 5 minute right there. Let me make sure I still got my 101. Yep. I like this. I like this momentum a lot. Even though it's a little momentum, guys, this is enough momentum for me to hop in my buy. All right, yeah, I'm about to hop in my buy for this one. 3. Oh, damn, I couldn't get in another position. Okay. There we go. I just realized something. Hold on, guys. What the heck is... Oh, that's why. All right. I'm using all of the above, man. My style is my own style. I'm not particularly. Yeah, I'm using all of the above. Which is, like I said, everything about a strategy from Smart Money. All of this is already brand. All right, I'm in Nasdaq. And then I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even once it hits here. I'm gonna try my new strategy out live, risk management strategy out live, and see how that goes. Yes, I do stream every day. I do stream every day. All right, guys, I'm in this trade. It's like I said, I'm first time doing this live. Where if it goes 50% in my favor, moving my stop loss, all my trades, stop loss to break even. That right there is about to make me very successful in trading because that's consistency, y'all. That right there is consistency. I don't think nothing about gold. I still see gold. Gold's going up. I mean, that's a fact. I said it earlier that gold is going up. To where? Sheesh. That's the problem I got. I mean, I got a level, but, you know, I'm going off what I think. I don't like really going off what I think. I just like going off what I see. No, I do not trade crypto. Nope. So, guys, I want to talk about the chart prime real fast because I know a lot of y'all use it. I'm starting to notice a lot of my students are using it. I know I do have the 40% deal going on still. It's tapped up there. Grab your phone and go ahead and use the barcode so it goes straight to the link. And you guys will be able to get 40% off. Lifetime offer. So make sure you guys tap into that because, like I said, I've been using the strategy, implementing my strategy with chart prime for those that just don't know how to really enter off of momentum because they don't understand it, or y'all don't understand anything as far as like, well, when should I enter? How should I look at it? You can definitely tap into chart prime. So make sure you guys check that out. That code right there, you guys can go ahead and get that 40% off too. The broker I'm using is Hanko Trade, and I use iSpring FX. I want to use iSpring FX for my 10K that I'm go. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm gonna be doing 10K, putting 10K in my account, and I'm gonna be doing this challenge again. $40,000. We already got the account up to 40K. So at this time, like at this point, this account been risk free since month 3. The account has been risk free since month 3. So right now I'm kind of just having fun with it, but not necessarily trying to. I still want to make this account go to 100K and help both accounts merge together for 100K. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm going with. I ain't playing no games. No games. I'm talking about personal funds too. I want my own personal account. 100K account. That's like having $1 million funded account. Think about it. They'd be like, oh, you can only risk 10%. All right. Well, that's 100 million for me. I mean, $1 million for me. That's like 100,000. But yeah, guys, I got this to 40K, and it's just like now I really achieved the goal of mine. This was a goal that I wanted to showcase live. You know, all facts, all the trades that you guys see overall was all from the account growth. So yeah, man, I'm just really trying to work on some great stuff this year.
I wanna drown inside this. Go down an eye, like I captain. I ain't never had a vibe this vibrant. Them also shiny with that 3-eye vision. Take this moment,
I don't risk no more than 10 to 15% on my overall account. So I always keep my lots between three lots to 1 lot. I can do 3 lots with my Hanko Trade account. You said my predicament for what? Bro, DJ, do you want to chart sell? I'm not selling anything on that. If you grow under to 1,000, exactly. I say that all the time. So many people ask me, why don't you just do $1,000 account, or can you do $500 account? I say the same thing. If you can grow a $4,000 account to 40K, you can do a $100 account to 10K. You can do a 10K account to 100K, 100K to $1 million. It's just only thing that y'all gotta understand is the mental. It's the mental. It's nothing else but the mental. If y'all been flipping $100 accounts consistently, oh my God, imagine what y'all gonna do with 1,000. Imagine what y'all gonna do with 10,000. So I'm trying to tell you guys, it's our mental thing. Trading is all mental. Trading aggressively or I will basically trade, just be real conservative of what you're doing. It can be aggressive, but just be conservative of what you're doing. Because I've been trading aggressive on my account, but I've been very conservative. I've been analyzing every move that I take, every TPs, every stop loss and all of that. So it's kind of like, boom. So like you said, I flipped $250 to $800 this week. If you can do that every week, cool, you know. But if it's just a one-time thing, then that definitely means you don't even have a plan. Cutting losses short is key. Shit, just having a good risk management strategy is key. Literally. My favorite pairs is gold, NAS, and Euro Yen right now. Those are like my top 3. I really don't even know why I got GU in here, but I think I was just eyeing it to see, because this used to be my pair. Go to Anthony. What's top-down analysis? Honestly, bro, I cannot even remember. I know my very first streams, we used to do a 15-minute mentorship class on my live streams. Like, I think these are like the first few videos for the week. We used to do that. At this point, everything is going to be slow. Let me get this out the way. At this point, everything's going to be slow, because the CPI news did his moves. Kai, you said, bro, your Discord is too OP. I'm still shocked that it is free. All these trades ideas is crazy. I know a bunch of Discords that charge like $200 a month. It's funny that you're saying that, because right now, like I said, guys, everything is free. But moving forth, a lot of things will be changing. But right now, man, a lot of this stuff is free. So yeah, in the VIP section, obviously it's not free, but just the free section alone, a lot of people seeing a lot of success, even my live streams. Yeah, things about to be dry. 10:30. Any of you guys trade during news? Who here trades during news? Like literally, like news is about to come on and y'all still gonna take the trade. Who does that on a regular basis? Man, there's a lot of y'all that trade during news. Interesting. As they started, how much you should start with, as much as you can afford. I'm gonna tell you right now, you gotta blow a couple accounts unless you already set and stoned as far as your discipline. But I'm gonna say 90% of traders that come on ain't like that. Might just do 95%. You gotta lose some in order to make some, because that's gonna make you disciplined. Unless you had a life experience where you just constantly lost money on other business deals you might have did, or other risk taking opportunities you might have had took, and you're just tired of losing money. So you already might be set and disciplined and stone on, like, man, I can't lose a dime with this Forex. So I'm gonna make sure my strategy is set before I start trading live. But 90% of traders, y'all gotta lose money in order for y'all to really know that y'all can make money. And I really mean that. Like, y'all have to blow accounts, because if y'all haven't really had any other risks, if y'all haven't took any other risks in y'all life and this is your first time, y'all gotta blow a couple accounts for y'all to actually understand, like, damn, I can't blow no more accounts. I need this. Do I smoke while trading? Nah. I get to tweaking. I don't even smoke no more. I would be too calm to the point where I will not take any trades. Y'all funny. I'm high right now. I turned 150 to 10K in a week. Dope. Now do it again. I was gonna tell people, if y'all turn this amount to that amount in a week, and I'd be like, do it again, and y'all can't, y'all that was luck. That was all luck. Y'all just had luck. Y'all just had a good week, because if you had a trading plan, that's consistency, and you would do that every time. Like, it's no problem. Maybe not in a week because of the market, but you'll be consistent with it. But yeah, I believe you. I mean, shit, there's so much I had did. But all what comes down to is consistency. That's what I learned. Somebody be like, oh, I turned 10K to 500K in a month. I'm like, that's what's up, man. Do it again. My guy, yeah, I'm not saying you lying, brother. I'm saying I definitely like that, but I said definitely try to do it again so you get that consistency. Discipline is consistency. Oh, you talking about some comments? You ain't gotta prove your point to nobody, man. Just prove your point to yourself. I mean, I say all the time, my biggest flex, the YouTube video I posted last year was when I was trading synthetic indices. I did 1,400 to 40K in like 3 days, you know. But like I say, let me do it again. I didn't end up doing it again because synthetic indices is some other. It's another breed, in my opinion. And I tried doing it again, it didn't work. So I was just like, yeah. Yeah, that only worked because synthetic indices is like Nasdaq on steroids. Y'all know how Nasdaq is so volatile, right? That's how synthetic is on steroids. They count 1 pip is like 20 pips. 1 pip with synthetic is like 20 pips when you trade volatility and all that stuff. Like 1 pip is like 20 pips. So that's why I was able to X my account to what it was. And I caught that and I caught that account growth at the right time, because that's when price was just going like that. What's your what? I think you meant previous job. I used to be a leasing agent. Where do you trade that at? DeVry? Or Devi or some Divi? I don't know what y'all call it. I call it DeVry. I haven't traded them in so long. I don't want to say so long. Nah, don't get misconstrued with leasing agents. For me, it was decent money. Until I witnessed this. For where I came from, I was topping 40K because I was getting commissions. So I was getting like 40K a year when I was leasing. And that was decent money to me. I feel like I was doing decent. Now until I started trading and all the other stuff I do, nah, man. That's just one of my streams of income. I ain't even gonna lie, guys. That's just one of I got so many streams of income. Hell, I could tell you guys all my streams of income right now. I have Forex trading. That's one. I have a shoe line back there. That's two. I have a clothing line. That's three. I have YouTube. That's four. And then I teach. That's five. And then I just started a production company. That's six. And I do affiliated marketing. That's seven. I feel like, and I started a car rental business. I haven't started it yet, so I don't know if I want to count that as 8, but I don't know yet, guys. But I got a lot of streams of income, so yeah. I don't even know. When people ask me what do, I just say I'm an investor. Seriously, because that's what I do. I always wanted to invest into a lot of stuff. How much taxes do I pay in the U.S.? Ridiculous amount, like 20%. Yeah, I can show you guys some real fast. Hold on. But before I show you guys, I need everybody to go ahead and like. Make sure you guys like the video and also make sure you guys are subscribed. Currently in this Nasdaq trade. Let me be right back, guys. Let me see what I got. All right, guys. So, live and back. Still waiting on this Nasdaq trade to move when it's not even trying to move. Honestly, I make more than 150K a year, way more than that. So my taxes is a lot more higher. So right here, guys, this is the slippers that I do have. Right, these are called the solos. They are not out yet. This is the box for it. They call solos. Y'all like the name? Ha 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 ha. These are not out yet. I'm still in development for these shoes. I'm trying to figure out if this is design I want to go with overall. But yeah, I do have that. The company is called Yo Eat Fashion though. Damn it, come on, focus. It is not trying to focus, y'all. There we go. The company is called Yo Eat Fashion. And yeah. What I used to do on the side is I used to do a lot of I got a studio. Like I have my own studio, and that's why I started my production company full effect. So now I also started a production company where I just got my first space right now. I'm working on a warehouse literally right now. I'm just trying to figure out if this is gonna go through. Working on a warehouse right now, and then me and my team, we're gonna build a lot of stuff in there. We're gonna do like a production side for content creators, and then we're gonna do a studio inside there, and all types of stuff. You said yay, man. I look up to Yay too though. Look up to all of them. What do I do with affiliate marketing? Exactly what I do now on my YouTube, and I do outside. I got a team that does all that for me. I just turned 30. A lot of people don't even believe my age. It'd be so funny. I'd be like, no, I'm dead ass. I'm 30. I just turned 30. I've been at this entrepreneur since I was 21 though. It is just a number. I don't even feel like that. I swear I don't. I feel like I'm still like 21 or something. So I started trading. I originally started binary options, and I was looking at stock. No, I'll probably look at stocks for like 1 month, but I was looking at the trading, like just in the charts, for about 7 years now. Cause I was doing binary options, and I was dabbling into like option trading at the time. So I was studying the market for 7 years, but I got into Forex like 2 years after. Can I explain why NAS was a buy? Why I brought into NAS? Because it tapped into this extreme on a higher scale. Let me tell you, on a higher scale, I'm still looking on it to go up. We did this liquidity run where we had the equal lows, equal highs. We took out the highs first, and then we took and tapped into the lows. Now, looking at my overall range, this is my extreme point, and I see market tapped into here, showing me that the buyers are now strong. So, what is happening is like, all right, cool. I'm like, all right, now I want to tap in on a smaller scale, and then I start noticing that we had a smaller range, which is here. Now I was like, all right, guys, I want market to come into here, which gives me more of a better entry because I want my stop loss to be down here. So that's kind of where I'm at right now, and why I took this for a buy with Nasdaq. I also got shoes back there that you guys can see and can't see. It's so crazy, man. Like I'm going crazy, man. I'm really trying to invest into some stuff. So this is why I wanted a warehouse, because if these shoes y'all keep saying these are like yay shoes, like yeah, they kind of look like it. I feel it, but like I said, I'm trying to change up. I'm trying to change up a little minor things with the design. Like we have we got the solo printed in here. I don't know. I might want it right here. I don't know yet. It's gonna be dope though. All right, guys, remember I got this new rule that I'm gonna try and see if the trade goes 50% in my favor. I'm gonna just move my stop loss to break even. First time me doing this live. You gotta always explain your income, guys. Forex is not passive income. If anybody tell you Forex is passive income, they tripping. Forex, you can just make a shit ton of money in little time that you spend. But what's passive is if you started a prop firm. Let's say you started your own prop firm. That's passive because you're not doing nothing. You got everybody trading and you making the money that they're trading off of. Or you can start your own broker. That's why I'm noticing a lot of successful traders are doing, like they're starting their own prop firm and broker. Hell, kind of doing that in the midst too. I can't really talk about it now. Just got in contact with a company. Just had a meeting with them yesterday. Can't talk about it now though. It's a lot of legal shit that needs to be done. But prop firms, people starting that. I mean, people thinking of other passive income, getting into real estate. People collecting cars. I mean, there's so many different ways to make money. You know, just got to figure it out. But this is not passive. Forex is not passive. I got to still wake up every day to trade. It's just really good money in a short amount of time that you can make. Yeah, you can mine. I mean, there's so much minting. I think you said mining. Yeah, you guys can do anything. Like, there's so many different ways to make money. I'm just saying, for me, the reason why I joined Forex, and I don't ever really tell my story like that, and I don't know why, but the reason why I joined Forex is because I just wanted to fund my music career. I literally just wanted to fund my music career because I was in a situation where a management company signed me as a group with somebody, and they wanted me to wear this and look like this, and it was like, well, we'll buy you all this, we'll buy you Gucci, we'll buy you Louis Vuitton, but you gotta dye your hair and you gotta do all this and that and act like this. And I'm like, nah, fuck all that. So I just decided just to really tap into Forex trading, master that, so I can invest all that into my music career. And then, crazy enough, I don't even put all the money into my music career anymore. Now I put it into my shoe line. That's how I got my shoe line started. Yo Fashion started thanks to Forex trading. I invested a lot of money in that. We've been had our clothing brand, so I'm not gonna say too much, but reinvesting to the clothing brand thanks to Forex. Now I'm also putting money into my music career thanks to Forex. Also, you guys know I got all the other businesses thanks to Forex. I started my production company thanks to Forex. So yeah, you know, that's kind of where I'm at right now. I know a lot of you guys have another goal where you want Forex because you want to live that lifestyle. You want to travel everywhere. That's another thing about trading. You can travel wherever you want. You can trade wherever you want. You can do whatever you please to do, you know, when you please to do it. You guys just want to join because you want, you want nice cars, you want nice jewelry, you want nice things. Whatever your goal is, that's up to you. For me, I'm all about trying to get this money because I can be gone another day, or Forex can be gone. So I'd rather accumulate as much money as I can while Forex is still here, or while trading is still here, while I'm still here, and then put all that shit into some businesses that can make its own money by itself. That's passive. You know, the best investment is you. The biggest asset is you. Is nothing else. You're the biggest asset. So, you know, you got to really think about that. How can you turn you into a moving asset that's going to generate money without you doing anything? And that's just finding things passive, building your own companies. That's why I got Solo Network. Solo Network alone does very well. Forex alone does very well. You know, putting the shoe line. That's going to be businesses. When you start a business, that business can grow way, and it can go further way more than you could, you know, because the day you pass, you can pass it to your child. The day they pass, they can pass it to their child. Like Walmart, like McDonald's, like Apple. You know what I'm saying? Like, these companies can live forever. We can't, but companies could. And that's what you guys got to realize. So you got to, you know, invest that money into something else. Don't always just buy fancy shit and this and that. I still ain't got the car of my dream that I want. I can get it, but I ain't even got it yet because I'm still like, nah, let me get this, man. Let me get this. Shit, I want a RSQ8. I want to get an I don't know what the fuck, but I'm just like, nah. Like, it's just crazy stuff how we got to think about it, y'all. So it's all different stuff we got to think about it. Y'all keep telling about EJ. Nothing's going on right now. Everything's too quiet. Everything is too quiet. Literally. And the next hour is going to be more dead than it is now. That's a fact, because it's already about to be 11 o'clock. Once again, if y'all not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh, you don't take a $1 million funded account and make it on one. I mean, this is, you know, I don't know. There's other ways to go about it. Whatever floats the boat. Gold. I'm not. Y'all keep asking me about gold. I'm not taking nothing for gold unless y'all asking somebody else. The markets are dead as a bird right now. Good and trading early in life and never even went to college, etc. Just, yeah, I mean, that happens. Nice. I should be doing London streams, man. I love London session. I came from London session for over 4 years. I'm just now adapting to New York session still. So yeah, guys. So the thing is, this Nasdaq trade, like I said, is going to be dead for some time. Don't expect it to do too much. To be honest with you. Do I trade agency? Yeah, I do. It's not nothing ever going on during that time though. Yeah, you gotta sleep. You got to. I appreciate that. Nah, I don't know. I don't know if they do. Not like that. Yeah, yeah, I am. I'll be, we'll be live tomorrow, more on VIP though. I'm in Nasdaq right now. There's nothing I'm waiting for. I'm just in it, guys. Like I said, I'm in it, but I don't see anything happening until later down the road, to be honest with you. So this one is gonna be it probably won't even TP or anything until a couple of hours from now, probably, depending on how fast this one to move. Yeah, super, because low volatility, man. It's been moving since London and CPI. So right now it's just like shit. Yeah, guys, once again, if y'all not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you don't miss out on anything that I drop. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on anything that I drop. Hey, welcome, man. If you just joining, welcome. Welcome. This week's been pretty like whack in my opinion, but you know, next week I'm like I said, guys, next week is where I want to go ahead and deposit this 10 and then start trading off that. And just the consistency, man. We've been consistent. We grew the 40K account. The 4,000 to 40K, we did that. I'm ready to do this 10K to 100K now. And once again, if you guys aren't in the VIP, tap into the VIP. The link is pinned in the chat. It's pinned on in the chat room. Pinned. It's right there. That should be it. Serious trading with 100, yeah, it's definitely good for sure. 100%. I want to see if we can actually tap this 50% before anything. By the way, I took some more money out of my account. Oh, I haven't ever showed. Let me. Right here, guys. This is what I got going on in these two trades right now. Once it comes here, I'm moving these stop losses to break even. Can I explain? I already explained the trade. You said, is it possible to join? I'm doing copy trading, but only to myself. Any expectation about gold? Nothing. Nothing right now. You see this red line? That's why I'm gonna take. That's why I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. And the reason why I'm moving it here is because look at these highs. This is where literally market could create liquidity and bounce down and probably take me out, which is cool. It's break even. Better than nothing. Hell, I mean, I can even take one trade if I want to. Take one trade out and then let the other trade ride to break, move the other trade to break even. Let me see something. Yeah, see that joint different on my broker. This is down there. All right, guys. So I'm gonna take one out because it's down there here for my broker. Which one is up more? There we go. Oh shit, hold up. All right, move my stop loss to break even. What? All right, I took out one trade, $1,000 off that trade, and now I'm moving my stop loss to break even. Boom. Now this trade risk free. Y'all can either take partial, move, just make this trade risk free. Yeah, I took my win with that. I got 1,000 up. I'm $1,000 more in profit. The other trade is risk free. It's up 1,000 right now. Clearly, y'all see we up $1,000 right now. But hey, I already made 1,000. We good. And then, like I said, like my rule, how can I explain my rule? At this point, guys, when it comes here, just make that joint risk free, honestly. And it can be risk free from anything. Like you could take 50% out, route the other 50, make sure you move it to break even, or you can just fucking take all the trades out and leave it alone. Like that's what I mean. Risk free is risk free. Yeah, don't spam or I will ban. But yeah, guys, no, I can't, man. You know what's crazy, guys? I can't wait to get this warehouse because, like I said, in a warehouse, we're gonna have this area where it's gonna be all media content for anybody that's into anything from media, anything into content creating. Meaning, like you are entrepreneur and you do online creations, or you got a clothing brand, or you do music, whatever it is. We're gonna have a section for that. We also gonna build another section just for our clothing brand. My homie's gonna help me. He's gonna have his clothing brand in there. We're gonna do another section for my clothing brand, my shoes, and then we're gonna do a another section. There's a room in there that has a pod. It's like a room, but we're gonna put a podcast in there because we're gonna have that room available for people to do podcasts. But most importantly, guys, Solo Network and I'm gonna be doing a podcast and stuff like that in that room. I'm probably gonna move all of my stuff. Like I'm gonna have another studio set up for when I do live streams and do podcasting in that room too. And then also we have another room that is upstairs. I probably might rent that room out so they can fucking pay for the lease. Or I might use that room as my what I like to call mastermind room. That room is literally about 1,000 square feet long, and we was gonna build a stage, get 2 speakers, and put a projector in there. So then, like when I do mastermind class, so for those y'all here, when I do mastermind class and stuff, when I be like, hey guys, if y'all want to come and do a mastermind class in the Chicagoland area, you know, you guys can come to the warehouse. That's where we all meet up. It can probably fit well over 50 people in there, you know, comfortably, maybe 30 people comfortably, 30 to 50. I'll say 30 people comfortably. And then we'll be doing mastermind classes in there. I'll probably rent that joint out too for anybody else that does teaching or needs it for something else. Yeah, man, it's going to be dope. That's going to be like my man cave, my business man cave, like the Solo Network. It's the Solo Network headquarters for sure, guys. That's what it is for sure. So guys, this trade is risk free now. I personally end up taking a W, and I'm riding the other trade risk free. When I say risk free, like again, guys, when I say risk free, I am referring to anything from moving your stop loss to break even, taking one trade out, taking 50% out, moving your stop loss, anything risk free, taking all the trades out risk free. But y'all know me, I like to compound my account, so that's why I'm still riding this trade right now. Risk free, goes against me, it's 90 bucks. I'm using Henko trade right at this very moment. One thing I learned from Solo is discipline, and it is very important if one is wait, what? Succeed in trading. My bad. I'm thinking you said struggle. Like what? My Instagram is literally right there. The Real Solo E. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Dude, you're killing as an entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship runs in our family. It's so crazy. What my mom does, what my dad does. Guys, The Real Solo E down there. Follow me on Instagram. Chicago area. I do plan on moving to Arizona. So yeah, guys, this trade is risk free. Today was a kind of shitty day because it was CPI and I couldn't even catch anything. But I'm still riding this trade. I'm gonna still ride this trade. And then with the yen, I'm looking on it to still drop. It's dropping though, but it's taking its time dropping. I'm still wanting to drop down here to some of these levels down here because I want to see that yen. It's actually going up now, but I want to see GJ hit to this level and then I want to see it drop again. Like literally something like this is what I'm looking for. I actually want to put an alert there. Unfortunately, Euro yen is going to possibly do the same thing where it wants to tap into some of these levels and then drop. So guys, make sure again you are subscribed. I'm actually end this one early because this is all we got. Unfortunately, it's not going on. And tomorrow we're gonna be live again. Like I said, I don't know if it's gonna be only VIP. I'm gonna see. I'll see. But 'cause I didn't go live, but we'll see, guys. 'Cause Fridays I don't really do much, but we'll see. Make sure you guys tap in if you aren't tapped in. And then other than that, guys, I'll see everybody else tomorrow. If not tomorrow, I'll see everybody else on Monday. Everybody enjoy it. Once again, I am still in that Nasdaq trade right now. I'm gonna hold this trade until it comes to TP2, which is up here. This one right here. However, I do have it at a break even. So let me just show you guys what I mean before I end this, because I am going to. Is break even? Hold on. Oh no, geez. Hold up. All right, so if this trade end up going in my favor, you guys know this would be a $3,000 profit right here. All right. So this is what I like to do with my accounts. And if it goes left, it's $90. But if the trade goes left, I didn't make $90. I still made that $1,000 off the first trade that I took with Nasdaq. All right, guys. So that's how I do it. That's how I go about building these accounts. That's why this account grew so rapidly, because of that strategy that I do. But yeah, guys, tap in, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow, or I'll see you guys Monday. Everybody take care. Have a wonderful day. Peace. Solo, I'm out.
Your approval or the words of the rest of, but to feel peace when I walk in the respite. This should be mine. Now I know it's mine alone. I don't need to go your way. You stand and make that face. Think life is made of serious work. I don't need to go your way. You stand and make that face. Think life is made of serious work.